What up, guys? It's the Quiz Wiz, and today we are going to be doing a video that I have already made, but it's on my other account. So let's get started. Farm animals, adding and subtracting. As you can tell, we will be adding and subtracting with some farm animals. Let's get started. I already said this. The cow has 5 leaves and eats 3 leaves. How many leaves does he have left? So what you have to do is you have 5, and then you have to take away 3 of them, and then what do you get? You get 2. That's correct. Okay. Now to check it, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And the correct answer is 2. Okay. Okay, on to our next question with some horses that go neigh. Okay, so for the horses, it's this many horses plus this many horses. So there's 2 horses, right? Because there's 1 horse, and then there's 2 horse, and then that's adding 1 horse. And so the answer would be 3 horses. Because 2, then you just add 1. 6 minus 2 sheeps. Okay, so you have 6 sheeps. That's such a weird word to me, sheeps. Okay, so you have 6 sheeps, and then you're taking away 2 sheep. And then how many sheeps do you have left? So we can draw a circle around our remaining sheep that don't have X on them. And our circle only has 4 sheep in it. That is correct if you got 4. If you didn't, that is perfectly okay. Okay, next question. 1 little piggy minus 1 little piggy. So you have 2 piggies total. And then, so you're taking away 1 piggy. And that leaves you with 0 piggies. 1 little chicken, I think. Yeah, is that a chicken? Yeah. Plus 3 little chickadees. That would equal, so you have 1 chicken, and then you're adding 3 chicks. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 4 little chickadees. And then, what you do, and these are all of our barnyard animals, and that's really all we have. This was a really quick video, but I hope it was informing. Well, that's all for today's video on chicks, chickadees, pigs, and all the other things that I talked about, and horses, I guess, maybe a cow, I don't really remember. Okay, so thank you, Size Mania, and be sure to check out my other channel, which has a more in-depth explanation of adding and subtracting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day today. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get back to slide 1. I hope you have a great day today, full of laughter and fun. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video and the other video. Make sure to smash like. And then, bye guys!